When the digital training sector comes together, what's really apparent is there's an awful lot of knowledge and understanding of what things need to be improved, what things need to be retained. And I've come away today going, we're all still very much on the same page about how the strategy of digital training can evolve under the apprenticeship banner. So that's fantastic. The themes I think that continually seem to come out is about making sure that we don't revolutionise everything and lose some of the good things that the digital apprenticeship sector has built up over the last few years. Invite us into the consultation, make sure we're listening to the plethora of voices in the sector, and you could get a really rounded view of what we're asking for, what we're needing, to make sure that we can fulfil the growth agenda of UK government.
We need some clarity around what is Skills England's brief and what control are they going to have. I know Skills England hasn't even been properly formed yet. We've obviously only got an interim chair, and I guess anything that they do probably won't come into effect for a year. But let's get out there and at least say that, something that we're particularly involved in is level 7 programs. Are they going to be funded? Are they not? Which ones are going to be cut if the fund is going to be taken away?
The digital and tech sectors are different, right? We have some particular challenges. And so I think giving that opportunity to be really clear about what matters to us in skills policy, and it's different. Like, technology is moving so quickly at the moment that we need something that responds at the same pace that we do and gives us flexibility.
Bringing together, industry, education. And I think that's going to be really key, that we do that and we make decisions together. We make those decisions on data and we make those decisions which are right for the economy, but also looking at, those regional impacts as well. And it has got to be access for all, for people to access skills, education, jobs.
There's been an awful lot of input from employers into, what businesses are looking for. And I wouldn't want all of that kind of ripped up and started again. And I actually think that needs to be taken and added to, what is going to come next. Because it's just so important that actually employers, varying sizes from small up to large, are listened to. Technical skills really, really need to be addressed, and especially in the schools. I think currently they're not happening.
We've made great strides in getting women into tech and getting, people from different backgrounds into apprenticeships. I think Skills England need to make sure that whatever they do is not going to, hamper that progress. For us to be able to get these type of panels to have the answers for us.
Hopefully leave the level 7 apprenticeships alone for the moment. Let's continue to have a discussion. I think that those apprenticeships are still providing a significant solution for developing the right talent with the right skills, particularly within the digital and STEM-based occupations.
My number one recommendation for Skills England, particularly for the digital sector, is this recognition that skills move so quickly, and actually to go with the best things that come out of the levy, which is giving employers the trust and the control to choose what fits best for them. Got to stick with that strategy, particularly with digital, where you understand that in 2 years' time there'll be a whole load more technology that's come out, and actually recognise that's the thing that's worked really well from the levy.
Having the employers continue to have an involvement with the changes and policies that Skills England are going to bring forward, and I think we need to sustain those relationships and engagement of employers within all this work.
Working together, we can be very powerful, and I think everyone wants to be involved. So collaboration is absolutely key. Keeping what's working really well whilst looking at the things that can be improved. I think the future's looking really bright.